If you're an author eager to connect with readers and promote your work, hosting a book signing at this iconic bookstore can be a fantastic opportunity. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to make it happen. Hello and welcome to today's video on how to arrange book signing at Barnes & Noble. Step 1, you should contact your local Barnes & Noble store, right? The first step is to identify and contact your local Barnes & Noble store community relations manager. You can do this either by calling or sending an email, and you want to express your interest in hosting a book signing. Step 2, prepare a compelling pitch. When reaching out to the store, be sure to have a compelling pitch ready. Highlight your book's unique selling point, your author background, and why your event would be a great fit for their store and community. You want to be concise and persuasive in your communication. Step 3, provide event details. Once a store expresses interest, provide them with specific event details. Discuss the date and time you have in mind, the expected time frame of the event, and any special activities you plan, such as reading or Q&A sessions. The more organized your proposal, the easier it will be for your store or the store to consider your request. Step 4, collaborate on promotion. Work with the store's event coordinator to plan how the event will be promoted. Barnes & Noble typically promote in-store events through their website, newsletter, and social media channels. Consider creating promotional materials like flyers and social media graphics to assist in their marketing efforts. Step 5, order sufficient copies of your book. So ensuring that your book is published through Ingram Spark is an essential step in getting a book signing with Barnes & Noble, because they will need to have copies of your book in stock for the event, and major book retailers prefer to purchase books through Ingram. It's essential that attendees can purchase your book on site. Now, there are some Barnes & Noble that may allow you to bring in copies, right? So do your research, because every store may have their own rules. However, major bookstores prefer to go through Ingram Spark. So you could jump ahead and you could publish your book through there before reaching out, or you could reach out and see what their requirement is. Step 6, prepare for the event. As the event date approaches, prepare everything you need for a successful book signing. And this includes, even though it may sound like a no-brainer, having sufficient quantity of your books available, having pens and markers for signing, preparing a brief and engaging author introduction, planning and any interactive elements such as reading or discussion, arranging promotional materials such as your bookmarks, postcards to give away. Step 7, engage with your audience. During the event, engage with your audience by being approachable and friendly. Sign books with personalized message, take photos with readers, right? And encourage question and conversation. Building a personal connection with attendees can leave a lasting impression. And step 8, follow up and express gratitude. Gratitude is always the key. After the event, be sure to follow up with Barnes & Noble and express your gratitude for their partnership. Share any positive feedback or sales number that resulted from the event if you personally handled the selling of your books. This not only shows your appreciation, but also increases the likelihood of future collaboration. So it's all about being strategic. In conclusion, arranging book signing at Barnes & Noble can be an excellent way to connect with your audience, promote your work, and boost book sales. Remember to be proactive in your outreach, provide detailed event information, collaborate on promotion, prepare meticulously, engage with your audience, and express gratitude. By following these steps, you can make your Barnes & Noble book signing a memorable and successful experience. Good luck with your event.